In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a company logo easily in Google Sheets. If you want your spreadsheets to look polished and on brand, placing your company logo is a simple win. I'll walk you through the easiest options so your logo either stays neatly in place with your data or floats as a header or watermark, and I'll share a handy formula trick for logos hosted online. First, the most reliable approach is to add the logo directly into a cell. Go to Insert, choose Image, and then select Insert Image in Cell. Pick your logo file, and Google Sheets will place it inside the cell you selected. The big advantage here is control. The logo is anchored to that bound cell, so it won't drift around your sheet or cover important information. As you adjust the row height or column width, the logo scales with the cell automatically, keeping the layout tidy. This is ideal for a small logo in the top left area or a compact brand mark near a header row. For the cleanest result, use a high-quality image, and if your logo has a transparent background, a PNG can help it blend seamlessly with your sheet. If you want more visual freedom, especially for a large header graphic or a subtle watermark, choose Insert, Image, then Insert Image over Cells. This places the logo on top of the grid, so you can click and drag it anywhere on the sheet. You can also resize it using the corner handles. Because it floats above your data, it's easy to create a prominent brand presence across a section of the page. Just keep in mind, since it sits over the cells, it can obscure content if you place it directly on top of your data. Use this when design flexibility matters more than keeping the logo tied to a specific cell. Here's a pro tip if your logo is hosted online. You can use the image function. In a cell, type =image, your logo URL, with the URL in quotes. This pulls the image directly from the web. The best part is that if your company updates the logo at that same URL, your sheet will reflect the new version automatically, saving you from manual replacements. Make sure the link is publicly accessible so Sheets can load it. Choose the method that fits your use case. In cell for a consistent locked-in result, over cells for flexible placement, or image for an automatically updating logo. With these options, your Google Sheets can look professional in minutes.